American Beauty. American Beauty is a movie about the family Burnham, and the main character is Lester Burnham, and he is married to Carolyn, and they have a daughter together named Jane. Jane's best friend is Angela, and there is a lot of problems in their family. A reason could be the father, because he in a middle-age crisis and got a crush on his daughter's best friend Angela, and in between the mother Carolyn cheating on Lester. Jane has also a crush on their new neighbor Ricky, and Ricky and Jane have a lot in common, and Ricky's father plays also a big role in this movie. And now I want to tell something about the characters and their relationships to each other. Lester and Carolyn is unhappy marriage. A reason could be that Lester don't know how to be and try to live like he was 18 again. And that give the family a lot of problems. They have a lot of fights, and it all go beyond Jane. Carolyn tried to have the control in the house, but in the end, she faked her happiness. Jane and Angela have also a bad relationship. Jane is insecure, and that use Angela to make herself feel better. Angela tell a lot of cool stuff that she have tried, but in the end, she's just like Jane. So their friendship is a lie because Angela live on a lie, but in the end, Jane figure it out. Jane and her father Lester, have also a bad relationship because Jane is mad at her father because he have a crush at Angela, and that make them to have a bad relationship. Jane is also mad at his father because he tried to live like he was 18 again, smoke a lot of weed, talk to her crush, and make a lot of bad decisions. Carolyn and Jane seem to have a good relationship, but Jane finds out that the mother are just the same as the father, and she also get mad at. Jane and Ricky have a really good relationship because they have the same problems. They both have a lot of problems with their families, and that make them a good couple. They have a lot of stuff to talk about, and for them it seemed to be real love. Ricky and his father has also a really bad relationship because Ricky's father, he's a military man and really homophobic. He tried to have the control in the house and don't want his son make bad decisions, and also hit him and make a lot of bad things. Ricky's father and Lester have also a relationship because it seems they hate each other, but Ricky's father got a crush on Lester and think Lester is gay too. And when Lester find out that Ricky's father is gay, got Ricky's father really crazy, and that make Ricky's father make a really bad decision. I think I can perspective this movie to the other movie we saw, American Born Killers, because this is two movies about different relationships and different families who have an other and maybe crazy lifestyle. A lifestyle like the lifestyle we see in the two movies are not normal are not normal for everyone. So I think we can perspectivate these two movies.